I'm Peter from Chauvinn Arnoux, and I'd like to present to you today the Metrics range of Scopics oscilloscopes. Portable, battery operated, TFT touchscreen, SD memory card storage for mass storage, Ethernet and USB interfaces come as standard. Two 4-channel versions, Cat3 600 volt isolated inputs, ideal for power applications. 3 different versions, 60 megs, 100 meg, 200 meg, with full 12-bit resolution, vertical resolution. FFT Analyser and multi-channel DMM come as standard. Optional Harmonic Analyser and multi-channel recorder, depending on the model, 2 or 4 channels. We have some very smart Probex probes for measuring voltage, current, temperature, PT100, etc. If you have existing probes, you may use those using our simple BNC adapter. A real unique feature of the Metrics scopes is web server, some software that will let you talk to the instrument over the World Wide Web at any location with Ethernet capability. Allows you to set up the scope, control it, and download the data back to your location. We also supply it with easy to use PC software for transfer via USB or Ethernet to your PC and to Excel. Hire one today from Inlec and use this unique scope for your measurements. Thank you.